Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to check out some gadgets that literally everyone is buying from. Gadgets that are really handy for kitchen tasks. These are Amazon's most viral kitchen gadgets you must see. And like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. The Alpha Griller's digital meat thermometer is the ultimate kitchen gadget for precision cooking, featuring an instant read display that ensures perfectly cooked meats every time. Designed for versatility, it is ideal for grilling, air frying, and griddling, making it an essential tool for any culinary enthusiast. The YARRAMATE oil sprayer is an essential kitchen tool designed for culinary enthusiasts. This 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser bottle, with a generous capacity of 16 Oz for 7 ml, allows for precise oil application, making it ideal for grilling vegetables or enhancing the flavor of salads and air-fried dishes. Crafted from premium glass, this food-grade oil mister ensures safety and durability, while its sleek black design adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. Enjoy effortless cooking and healthier meals with this versatile oil sprayer, perfect for BBQs and frying. The Fullstar vegetable chopper is an essential kitchen gadget designed to simplify meal preparation. This versatile 4-in-1 tool functions as a food chopper, onion chopper, vegetable slicer, and spiralizer, allowing users to effortlessly slice and dice a variety of vegetables, including onions. Ideal for home cooks seeking to enhance their culinary experience, the Fullstar vegetable chopper is a must-have accessory for any kitchen. The REALINN under-sink organizer is an essential addition to any kitchen or bathroom. Designed to maximize storage efficiency, this product features a 2-tier slide-out shelf system that allows for easy access to items stored beneath the sink, while the included baskets provide a neat and organized solution for various essentials. The Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener is a highly convenient and user-friendly tool designed to make opening cans a breeze. This electric can opener is perfect for anyone looking to save time and effort in the kitchen, especially for those with limited hand strength or dexterity. The can opener has a built-in safety mechanism that prevents sharp edges, ensuring you don't cut yourself while handling open cans. The blade cuts from the side, leaving a smooth edge,